Hi friends, I have some exciting news for you. Today we're going to be focusing on rolling our numbers. How fun. All right, so on our agenda today we are going to talk about why we roll our numbers in the first place. We will roll all the numbers up to 10, and then because we don't have rolling number songs for 11 and 12, we'll watch some videos, and then I have a fact challenge for you. All right, so why do we roll our numbers? Rolling our numbers helps us to memorize our multiplication facts. You probably already knew that. You will use multiplication facts for the rest of your life. And here are just a few examples of when you might use multiplication. If you're building something or you're doing construction, if you're at the grocery store, maybe you're trying to bake something, maybe you're traveling and you're trying to figure out how far away something is and how much gas you need to get there. Maybe you're trying to save money for something like a new toy or video game. A reminder before we start that I would encourage you to pause the video and rewind at any point to practice a specific set of facts if you're finding it a little more challenging for you. That's totally okay. Practice makes perfect when it comes to multiplication facts. All right, we're going to start with our twos. Dukes up. Equitas, good as gold. Let me see your twos roll. 2, 4, 6, 8. What do we appreciate? Knowledge, so we can go to college. 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. We're so smart, we know more. 22, 24. Listen while we cheer some more. Next up is our threes. I have to say this is fun, but it's not the same as doing it with all of you in the classroom. So make sure you're bringing the zest from your home. All right, here we go. Dukes up. Equitas, good as gold. Let me see your threes roll. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. We're on our way to college. 27, 30, 33, 36. We've got to keep it moving. Next up is our fours. Dukes up. Equitas, good as gold. Let me see your fours roll. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. That's how we roll our fours. 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48. La, 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 la. Next up is the fives. Take a big deep breath here and get ready. Dukes up. Equitas, good as gold. Let me see your fives roll. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Stop. Take a deep breath. Next up is our sixes. Dukes up. Equitas, good as gold. Let me see your sixes roll. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. And the spider says 42, 48, 54, 60, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72. How do you do? Remember, on that one, we have to make sure we go back to 6 times 7 when we repeat, right? So 42, 48, 54, 60, 42, 48, 54, 60. Got it? All right. Let's move on to our sevens. Dukes up. Equitas, good as gold. Let me see your sevens roll. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42. 49, 56, 63, 70, 77, 84. Listen while we cheer some more. Rollin'. That's one of my favorites. But if I'm being honest, I think the eights really are my top favorite of all the rolling numbers. So let's be extra zesty for this one. Here we go. Dukes up. Equitas, good as gold. Let me see your eights roll. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40 with a 40 up here and a 40 down there. 48, 56, 64, 72. Now 80 with an 80 up here and an 80 down there. 88, 96. Now, if you prefer to do that one without the claps in the middle of these numbers here, if that confuses you and throws you off, don't do the claps, okay? Totally up to you. All right, we are on nines already. I can't believe it. Man, this is flying by. Okay, dukes up. Equitas, good as gold. Let me see your nines roll. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72. It's great to be alive. 81, 90, 99. Just wait. 108. I just rolled my nines, don't hate. Appreciate, appreciate. All right, time for the tens. So for the tens, we don't really actually have a rolling numbers, but I kind of based it off of the one that we do for the fives, since most of you learned this a long time ago and it comes really easily to you. Dukes up. Equitas, good as gold. Let me see your tens roll. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Stop. Take a deep breath. All right. Now we don't have a rolling number song for the 11s, but I found these videos for 11 and 12 last year, and I thought they were really fun and catchy. And I hope that as you're at home, that you listen to these a few times, and that way they kind of get stuck in your head, you know? So when you're walking around your home or your apartment, that maybe you start to sing these songs.
Yeah, are you ready to multiply? Let's go. 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99, 110, 121, 132. There's no skip counting that we cannot do. 1 times 11 is 11. 2 times 11 is 22. 3 times 11 is 33. 4 times 11 is 44. 5 times 11, 55. 6 times 11, 66. 7 times 11, 77. 8 times 11, 88. 9 times 11, 99. 10 times 11, 110. 11 times 11, 121. 12 times 11, 132. We'll show you how to break it down. Try it with your crew. We can recall the 11s like deja vu. Sing along and listen. Tap your pencil or your pen. These are the multiples of 11. 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88. Sing along and listen. Tap your pencil or your pen. These are the multiples of 11. 99, 110, 121, 132. Rap along and become a man. 1 times 11 is 11. 2 times 11 is 22. 3 times 11 is 33. 4 times 11 is 44. 5 times 11 is 55. 6 times 11, 66. 7 times 11, 77. 8 times 11, 88. 9 times 11 is 99. 10 times 11, 110. 11 times 11, 121. 12 times 11, 132. The more you know, the more that you can do. It's time to multiply with the number rock crew. Sing along and listen. Tap your pencil or your pen. These are the multiples of 11. 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88. Sing along and listen. Tap your pencil or your pen. These are the multiples of 11. 99, 110, 121, 132. This is the number rock method, tried and true. 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99, 110, 121, 132. There's no skip counting that we cannot do. Visit numberrock.com.
All right, time for our 12s. This one is equally as catchy.
48, 60, 72, 84. Let's go. 96, 108, 120, 132, 144. 1 times 12 is 12, and 2 times 12 is 24. 3 times 12 is 36, and 4 times 12 is 48. 5 times 12 is 60, and 6 times 12 is 72. 7 times 12 is 84. 8 times 12 is 96. 9 times 12 is 108. 10 times 12 is 120. 11 times 12 is 132. And 12 times 12 is 144. The 12 times table, but like never before. If you're feeling the beat, dance on the classroom floor. If the voices high, as we multiply, the 12 times table and we get them right. Every time we lift the voices high, as we multiply, the 12 times table and we get them right. Every time 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120, 132, 144. Are you ready? Drop the beat. We learning now. Let's go. Hey. 1 times 12 is 12, and 2 times 12 is 24. 3 times 12 is 36, and 4 times 12 is 48. 5 times 12 is 60, and 6 times 12 is 72. 7 times 12 is 84. 8 times 12 is 96. 9 times 12 is 108. 10 times 12 is 120. 11 times 12 is 132, and 12 times 12 is 144. The 12 times table, but like never before. If you're feeling the beat, dance on the classroom floor. Lift our voices high as we multiply the 12 times table and we get them right. Every time we lift our voices high as we multiply the 12 times table and we get them right. Every time. Are you ready now? When I say jump, I want you to jump as high as you can. Jump, 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 jump. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120, 132, 144. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120, 132, 144.
Visit numberrock.com for exclusive content.
All right, friends. Now that we have rolled all of our numbers, we've watched our Number Rock videos, it is going to be time for your fact challenge. For the fact challenge, you're going to go back to today's lesson on Google Classroom. It should be under Math Thursday, May 7th, 2020, and you're going to click Fact Challenge number 1, which is a Google Doc. It looks like this. You're going to keep time of how long it takes you to complete the facts using either a family member's phone or the stopwatch link that I've put on your Google Classroom assignment. If you click the one in Google Classroom, it will take you to a page that looks like this. Then you click stopwatch, and then as soon as you start, you're going to have this page open in a different tab. You're going to press start, then go back to your fact challenge, start your fact challenge. I start filling it in here. And then as soon as I finish, I'm going to go back to the stopwatch and I'm going to press pause. Right? Then I'm going to look at how much time has passed. This is the seconds. This is the minutes. This is the hours. I don't think it's going to take you an hour, but you're going to record your time in this box up here. So if it took me 5 minutes and 30 seconds, I'd put 5:30. Or I can say 5 minutes, 30 seconds, like that, okay? After you've done that, right? Don't forget to record your time. Have a family member or a teacher, if you don't have a family member around at the moment, check your work if possible before moving on to step 2. Then for step 2, you're going to go back to today's lesson on Google Classroom and you're going to click Fact Challenge 2. It looks almost the same as Fact Challenge 1, right? Very similar. Keep time of how long, again, it takes you to complete the facts. So if you want to restart the timer, you click clear and that erases it and then you can start it again. You're going to keep time again of how long it takes you to complete the facts and see if you can beat your first time. Don't forget again to record your time in that red box at the top of the Google Doc and have a family member check your work. If possible, if you don't have a family member around at the moment, you could also have a teacher check it. All right, friends, happy multiplying. If you have a second and would like to video yourself doing your rolling numbers for your teacher, we would love to see it. I'll see you soon.